So if we consider the bond between an oxygen and a hydrogen, a bond is a pair of shared electrons. So you could visualize that as two valence electrons. A covalent bond is two valence electrons between these two atoms. However, the bond between oxygen and hydrogen is a polar covalent bond, and it's polar because oxygen is very electronegative. So the electrons get pulled towards oxygen and away from hydrogen and spend most of their time near the oxygen atom. So you could draw that like this, with the electrons being pulled towards oxygen. Remember that electrons have a negative charge, so there's a negative charge accumulating over here where the oxygen has more electrons, negative charge, than it has protons or positive charge. So this part of the molecule ends up with a partial negative charge. Over here by the hydrogen, there's one proton but no electrons to balance that out. So the hydrogen has a partial positive charge. So the bond between an oxygen and a hydrogen is known as a polar covalent bond because of this difference in charge across the molecule, where one atom pulls the electrons towards it and the other atom lets go of the electrons a little bit, resulting in polarity or a difference in charge across the bond.